Yeah, these are the list examples. In addition to our class examples, I just go through these uh, some basic examples on groups. Here, what is our requirement, guys? Print the text hello world 5 times. So here, for example, list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For num in list, print hello world. There are other ways to do this also, but for your understanding, I have written like this. Here, how many times this print statement is going to be executed? It totally depends on the length of this iterable, right? How many times are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First iteration, print execute. For second iteration, print execute. Third, fourth, 5. So if this loop is iterating 5 times for these items, this print statement obviously going to execute 5 times, right? Clear? Are you able to follow?
Yeah.
Hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world. 5 times it is going to print when you execute this. I would recommend you to execute yourself, write yourself and execute yourself. Next example. Create a list of all the even numbers between 1 to 10 using the range function to return the sequence of a numbers from 1 to 10. I will tell you what is range actually. Here, range is a built-in function. Range is a built-in function which generate the sequence of values in the given range. This is the start range. This is the end range. So when I give range of 1 comma 10, 1 comma 11, it is going to generate the 1 to 10 numbers. Last value will be excluded here. So I will tell you. For example, for I in range of 1 comma 11, print I. Just try to see what it is. It is printing, right? Sorry, let me give. Let's separate the output. Range output. So let me run this program again. Range output. After that, our loop is started. 1 to 10 is generated. If you observe here, guys, this is the here range is a built-in function. Range is a built-in function. It generates the sequence of values between the given range, start and end range. For example, if I give 12 here, it is going to print generate till the 11th value only, 1 to 11. It always exclude the given value. It is going to generate -1, n minus 1. If I give 13 here, it is going to generate only till 12. Just remember this one. If I give 10 comma 13, see what output I am going to get. 10, 11, 12, 13 not coming at all. If I give 20 here, it is going to generate only till 19. Last given value will be excluded. 10 to 19, right? Are you able to follow the advantage of range function? Range function is a built-in function of Python which is used to generate the sequence of values between the given range. If I give 100 here, if I give 120, see it, what is going to happen. Sequence generation is starting from 100, ending with this end value -1, 119, right? So this is the advantage of using range function. So let me go back to the example again. So here, even number program we already seen executed, but previously here what I did, I have taken this list explicitly and passing this value. But here, instead of taking this sequence is automatically generating by using the range function. Range 1 comma 11 means it is going to return the sequence of 1 to 10 numbers.
Yeah.
In first iteration, 1 will come. Second iteration, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. until 10, this for loop is keep on executing. After 10, right, there are no more items left in the sequence. It will simply come out of this loop, execute the for equivalent statement outside the for. This is outside for. Even numbers, just print the whatever items added here. Simple guys, for I in range of this, if I is model 2 equal to 0, even numbers dot append. Append is a built-in function of a list which is used to add the values to this list. All numbers or even numbers are adding into this particular list, printing after completion of the looping. Clear?
Okay.
Example 3. Create an infinite loop. Infinite loop can be created using loop by appending new element to the list after every iteration. So here num is equal to 0. There is only one value. For I in num, right? For I in num. Let me show print this. Let me write this. I will show you. Okay. For loop, infinite loop, infinite. Example. So infinite means that if you observe it here, very careful while dealing with the loops. For loop is okay, very easy, but especially while dealing with while loop, we should be very careful. Otherwise, you will be fall into the infinite loop kind of concept. So first tell me how infinite loop in Python. So in this example, 100 to 120. This loop is going to be terminated after 119 item is fetched and executed, right? So here there is a finite range, right? For 19 times, this print statement is going to be executed. After that, there are no items left here. For loop will be terminated, right? For loop will be stopped. But in case of infinite loop, I'm just giving you an example here. Say nums equal to, for example, 0. Okay, 0 for I in nums. For I in nums, print I, print I, nums dot append I again. See it, guys. Here what append does add new value to nums list. Nums list. So this for loop is totally depending on the length of this list, right? So if there is no append here, let me see it. 0 coming now. It is iterated only one time, right? This time num is equal to, there is only one item here. For I in num, I value is 0, first iteration printed, and after that there are no items left here. Simply stop this loop and program is finished, right? Now here what I am doing, see it, nums dot append I. So in first iteration, what is the I value? 0, right? Everyone tell me, I value is 0 or not?
Yes.
So if it is 0, it is going to print 0. After that, nums nothing but this list, right? Dot append I. I am adding another. Initially it is 0, right? Initially it looks like this. Append 0 means it is going to add 0. So if you go here, Now nums become what? 0 comma 0, right? Because we added another 0 here. For loop is pick this 0, assign this. Let me give one example, q plus 1. Okay, in first iteration, I value is 0. This one, I value is 0. Print 0. 0 plus 1 means 1, right? This 1 is 0 plus 1. Output is 1. This 1 is appending into this list. That means that it will become a 1 loop. So after executing this statement, Python and go and check the next item. Here we added another item, 1, right? Now I value is 1. Print I. Nums dot append I plus 1. Now 2, right? So 2 is going to add here. After that, after completion of this statement, Python go and check for the next item. Yeah, next item is there. So like this, it's keep on appending, keep on iterating over here only, right? Because every iteration, this size is getting increased. If size is getting increased, loop also keep on going on here only, here itself only, right? Getting my point, guys? This list is growing. There is no termination for this. If you want to see it, guys. I just stopping here. See how many times it is iterated. 34 times 800. 3,48,605 times it is executed here. Infinite. It is not going to stop until it reaches some memory out of range kind of thing. Be careful while dealing with this is very dangerous if you are dealing with this kind of stuff inside the loops. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. You can please go through this documentation. So I have given so many examples. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about while loop, syntax, and some notes about the while loop. And we are going to discuss about while loop syntax, while loop programs, how it looks like. See you.